What is going on, guys, and welcome to another GCSE Business Studies video. Today we're looking at the break-even point. If you're enjoying this series, do subscribe. So the red line there, which goes up diagonally, that is your profit, or your revenue, sorry. And then the green line is your variable costs. As you know that as they increase with the output, and there's a pink dotted line, and that is your fixed costs, as it always stays the same. One thing to note, if you're ever asked to draw one of these, the variable cost lines doesn't start from 0, it starts from 10, as that's where your fixed costs are, and your profit line starts from 0. When both these lines cross over, you break even. So break even is when your total cost is equal to your total revenue, and on this graph it happens at about 2,650 on output. So basically, yeah, that's pretty much it for this. One thing to also note is that you have to have at least always higher profit than cost, and that will come into play with contribution, as contribution is let me have a think, is how much you contribute to your fixed costs, as the profit you make on your normal product is higher than your variable costs. If that makes any sense, I don't think it did. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for break-even. Very simple. You might be asked to do a break-even analysis, which will ask you, is it worth them charging this price when they're going to break even at like 10,000 units, or should they charge this price and then break even earlier? So you can always use break-even analysis in your 6 markers and say like, oh, they should charge a lower price because they'll break even earlier. And there is a formula for break-even which you should research, because I can't quite remember what it is. I think it's fixed costs divided by, yes, actually I remember, fixed costs divided by contribution should give you break-even, or maybe total costs. Total cost divided by contribution. Have a look up, one of them two.